Dear students of class 8, very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start revision of exponent and power. That chapter is there, we have already done that one. You may check your playlist also of this channel, and we have finished this chapter. Now today we are going to start revision of the same. Okay? So revision, let's start now. First of all, law of exponents. Law of exponents are, this I have written here some law of exponent. First is a power m multiply by a power n. If bases are same in product, then power will be added. So a power will be n plus n. Right? Similarly, now here a power m divide by a power n. Here division sign is there. Bases are again same. Here also base was same, but this time these are in division. Okay, if bases are same, so power will be subtracted. So a power m minus n will come. Base we will take common and power will be changed. C is a power m whole power n. A power n whole power n. When power on power is given, so they will be multiplied to each other. A power n multiplied by n will come. Next is a power m and b power n. Okay, this time bases are different but power are same. Correct? Base are different but power are same. If power are same, then we can multiply this base and we can take common power on that one. We will use when we will solve the problems. So here a multiplied by b will be with power n. Okay, same here. This is in multiplication. If we will divide a power n and b power n. Now here division is there. Same thing is there. So this will be a upon b, and if this we will write, and a whole power n we can take here. So these are the some law of exponent. Now we will start some questions related to the same. Question of exercise 2.1 of your book. Okay, 2.1 first question is minus 2 upon 3 is written 6 times. Right? First question, that is minus 2 upon 3, then product, multiply sign is there, multiply by minus 2 upon 3, then multiply by minus 2 upon 3, this is 6 times. Okay. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time is there. So I write here minus 2 upon 3. Visible? Not visible, right? Okay, I write this one in this side. It is 6 times. This will be minus 2 upon 3, and here also minus 2 upon 3. This is first question. They are multiplying each other. Just before we have learned, when bases are same, power will be added. So here power 1, power 1, 1, 1, 1, every rational number having 1 power. So that will be equal to minus 2 upon 3. You may count them, power 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So power will be 6. This is only we have to do, because question is express each of the following product in exponential form. This is called exponential. One more question, the last of the same I am taking, that is E. And E is minus 2 15 times. It is written here. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and dot dot dot. This is 15 times. Right? 15 times means we have to take this one will be equal to minus 2 whole power 15, because this is given 15 times. So we will take power minus 2 power 15. Okay, are you getting or not? Now see, let's take one more question, that is number 2, and the number 2 is write the following in exponential form or power notation. Power notation and exponential form are same. How to represent the same? See, first question is 216 upon minus 125. 216 upon 200 and 125. Sorry, this is 1 25 and the sign is negative. With negative sign it is given. This is your first question. See, by the same method you can do all rest also. Okay, so first do how to do this one. We want to change the same into power notation. First change into prime factor expressions. How to find prime factor? This 216 you may find like this, and for 125 you may find in this way like this. Can you find? Now see, everyone, what will come? This is divisible by 2, 2 1 are 2 and 2 8 are 16. 108 come, then again 2, 2 5 are 10, 4. Again by 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 7. Now this is divisible by 3, 3 9 are. Again by 3, 3 3 are. Again by 3, 3 1. Right? So can you write 1 2 3 means 2 power 3 multiplied by 1 2 3 3 power 3, right? And here 125 divisible by 5, 25 times, again divisible by 5, 5 times, and again by 5, 1 time. 5 1 ja 5, right? So what will we do now? 1 2 3. So this will be equal to 5 power 3 or not? Just put all these values here. Okay, so this will be equal to minus sign as it is 216. 216 is equal to, you can take here 2 power 3 multiply by 3 power 3 divide by, now 125 is equal to 5 power 3. Right? So now what to do? See, 2 power 3 and 3 power 3, base are different, power same. Base are different and here power same. So a multiplied by b power m will become, it means this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3. So minus sign 2 multiplied by 3 power 3 will come, because base are different and power will be same, then like this we can write. And upon this one is equal to 5 power 3. Next step, watch it carefully. This one 2 3 are 6. So can you write here minus 6 power 3 upon 5 power 3? Can we write like this? Yes, we can write. And the next step I am going to write here. This I will write here. This is 2. This was 2 power 3 and 3 power 3. Okay, 6 upon 5. See this one, a upon b. Where is this? This one. A upon b, power are same. So can we write in this form? Yes, we can write. So this will be equal to minus 6 upon 5 power 3 will come. Right? Power 3 will come or not? Yes. So now next thing is minus 6 upon 5 whole power 3. Okay, so this is only the power notation form. So you can write like this only. This power 3, so minus sign will be there with the same. If it is positive, you might change the same into plus sign, but it is negative power, so this is the only power notation. So you can say this is your answer of the same question. Okay? Can you do by the same method? It is very easy, not so difficult. Okay, let's do the next one. Hope you understood. And the next question is, I am taking now last of the same, that is F, because this is division class is going on. So we will take 1 or 2 questions only. Last one is 16 upon 121. 16 upon 121. This is your last question. Okay. Same. How to change? We have to change into power notation. And the 16 and 121. Let's take do coupling. This 16 and this one 121. Okay. Now 16 divide this one 2 8 ja 16. Then again by 2 4 ja 8. Again by 2 2 ja 4. And this is 2 1 ja 2. Similarly here also it is divisible by 11 times, and this 11 1 time. 11 ja 21 and 1. So this will be equal to 2 power 1 2 3 4. 2 power 4, and this will be equal to 11 power 2. right? So here, can you write here 2 power 4 upon 11 power 2. See, these power are different. If these are same, can we change into this form? Yes. So try to make them same. Can we write this one according to this rule m power n? Can you write like this 2 power 2 whole power 2 upon 11 power 2. 2 to the 4 is coming. So same will come. So can we write like this? Now 2 square means 2 to the 4. So can we write here 4 power 2 upon 11 power 2. Now see, a upon b power n will be equal to a upon b whole power n. Okay, this is the way to solve. Got it, everyone? Well, so this is the way to solve. Now we will take next problem, and that will be different time. Now, this was the second question or last question of the question number 2. Now we will take number 3. Third number question is given, write the multiplicative inverse of the following. Multiplicative inverse. What do you mean by multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Okay, the other name of the same is you can call it reciprocal also. Reciprocal means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Very easy. So now first question is given minus 4 upon 7. First one is given minus 4 upon 7. Just change these number numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Just inverse. So multiplicative inverse will be equal to, क्या होगा multiplicative inverse? लिख देते हैं. Multiplicative inverse. What will be the multiplicative inverse? That is minus 4 upon 7. So will be equal to minus 7 upon 4. Just change. Okay. Some more things are given. These are in one is given 10 power 3. Right? This is question number 3 of the same. That is 10 power 3. So can you write here 1 upon 10 power 3? Just opposite. This is the reciprocal. This is reciprocal of the same. And we can write in this form also 1 upon 10 whole power 3. This is also reciprocal. These are same. There is no difference at all. Okay. One is minus 7 upon 5 whole power 7. That is last one of the same. Question number D. 1. So 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5 whole power 5. Right? So now, how to change this one? Reciprocal. Just change this one. Power will be there only. Okay. Reciprocal means you can change these only. If you will take reciprocal, so what will happen? Sign will change or not? No. Sign will not change. Just take reciprocal. So how we will do? This will be equal to minus 5 upon 7 and power 5. Because this power 5 is for both of them. So no need to change. Okay, this is the way to solve power notation. Now next one is evaluate. How to evaluate questions? Let us see. What things are there? So now we will be continue in video only, and if there is need, I will take your test also online. At that time we will be online on YouTube. Okay, and I will take your test question. I will give you. You will have to reply with the same. Okay. So now next one is evaluate. Evaluate the following. How to evaluate? See, one is given minus 1 upon 3 whole power 3. First one minus 1 upon 3 4 power 3, this will be equal to, see minus 1 upon power 3 there, it means we can write this one 3 times, is it? We can write the same 3 times. So this will be equal to minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3. Can we write? Now see, when negative number multiplied 3 times, power is in odd number. If power is in odd number, then the sign will be negative only. So sign finally will be negative. Now 1 1 1, when we will multiply 1 will come only, and these we will multiply 3 is a 9, 9 3 are 27. Okay, 9 3 are 27. So this will be equal to 1 upon 27. This is valuation. How to evaluate? One more question is there. 4 power minus 3. Number 2. Of the same. That is 4 power minus 3. You may say this is D, right? Yes, this is D. 4 power minus 3. When power is negative, we cannot write in this form. So first we will have to change into fraction form or simple form or positive notation. Positive power, how to make positive power? We can take reciprocal and the sign of power will change. Okay, sign of power will change. Sign का तो change इसका. How we will change? This will be equal to 1 upon 4 power 3. ठीक है. 1 upon 4 power 3 will be equal to 1 upon 4 whole power. Write like this. Yes, this is the reciprocal, you can say, and this is the solution. Okay, now we have 1 upon 4 whole power 3. So can we write this one in 3 times? 1 upon 4 multiply by 1 upon 4 multiply by 1 upon 4. 3 times can we write? It is not visible. Okay. Let's write once again. This will be equal to 1 upon 4 power 3 positive. So can we write here 1 upon 4 power 3 na 3 times इसमें 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4. कितनी बात है? 4 4 जा 16. 16 4 जा 64. This will be equal to 1 upon 64. Correct? Easy? This is the way to solve. So can you solve now others also by the same method? Next part is simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. With positive exponent. So half we will do now in this video and rest part we will do in next video. Tomorrow only you will get the same, and for whole this week we will get continuously. Okay? Because last 2 or 3 days, because of network problem and other problem, it was difficult. Okay. Now simplify and express the result in power notation. First question is 4 power 2. In this one A, and actually it is question number 5. Okay. In 5A is 4 power 2 and 4 power minus 3. 4 power minus 3, right? Well, we will take reciprocal of the numbers. The sign of power will change or not? Hoga. How we will change? See, this will be equal to 4 power 2 multiply, this will be equal to 1 upon 4. So this will be equal to 4 power plus 3 only. Okay? Sign of power will change na?